Hello, and welcome to the Drunken Elf. I assume you're here for some sort of alcoholic beverage? You look awfully American. How about this? We got a bit of Jim Beam whiskey here, so I think I'll make you an old-fashioned. The old-fashioned is really, it is a quintessential American drink. In fact, it's so American. If you go to another country and you ask for one, it will instantly tell them you're American, even if you don't act like what they expect an American to act like. Now, it's not only American, but is one of the oldest cocktails in the world. Cocktails meaning mixed drinks. And it is currently the most popular cocktail in America. Now, traditionally it is made with whiskey or bourbon, specifically whiskey if well, bourbon if normal, but it also can be made with other liquors. In fact, in the Midwest, they have a thing where they use brandy and something they call bug juice, which uses a mixture of bitters and sugar. It's basically the same thing. And there's a lot of ways to make this drink. It has such a variety to it. It is a beautiful drink. Now, today, I'm going to be showing you a specific little thing for it, really. This version, while most of it comes from a book, I actually modified this one. This one was originally came to me, it comes with granulated sugar. I chose against that. This is simple syrup. Simple syrup is something that actually I made it on this stovetop right here. Now it's basically equal parts sugar and water. So a cup of sugar, a cup of water, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, half cup, etc. In fact, if you intend on making sour drinks, you're going to need some of this later to mix something very, very wonderful called sour mix. So sour drinks, sour mix. So this here we have is a muddler. Muddler is used for muddling. You go like this. Go quick, quick, quick. Basically just tap. Now, what we're going to be doing today, now these orange slices aren't exactly up to regulation. They're what I had on hand due to the season. And give me one moment. I'll go grab you your cherry. Now here you go. I do believe I've shown this off before, but this bar spoon, rather easy method of doing quite a few bartender tasks. And you put that right in there, as so. Give this guy a quick wipe off, and then put this back here. What we do around here isn't quite regulation, but it gets the job done. Now, next up, bitters. These are Angostura bitters, if I remember correctly. No, these are not. These are old-fashioned bitters by the Fee brothers. This is a light on the alcohol, but very powerful thing. Even though it doesn't have a lot of alcohol, it has a lot of taste to it. Very bitter taste, to be specific, as the name implies. We do a quick bar spoon of this. Now, you can use a little more if you like more sugar. Oh, yeah, there we go. That was a little more than intended, but if you want a sweet drink, you put that much in, and you will be good. So, what you do, grab this guy, give it a quick, and a quick. I would suggest 1 smash on each orange piece if you're using 2 smaller ones, or 2 on a larger piece, or 1 smash on a cherry, and 1 smash on the cherry. Now, after this, it's muddled. It's fully muddled together. It's all mixed. What you do, I have ice full here. I have the ice ready. Put it right on top. In fact, grab this guy, push it down a little bit. There we go. What you're going to want to do for yourself, grab yourself your jigger or whatever measuring device you use. 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Bourbon is a beautiful, beautiful liquor made in primarily Kentucky. That is where it comes from, though it can be made all over the southern U.S. legally. And hell, you might find some that's made illegally in another location. And there's a lot of misinformation about this. So, this is not quite the old-fashioned I would like to have, because, you see this is all, it looks nice. Looks golden, enriched, but I think another step would be good is to give it a quick stir. Just a quick around to make it taste, to just come all together. Now, in the book that this comes from, it says club soda to top with. Do not do that. If you do that, I disown you. I disown you immediately. Club soda is for things like Tom Collins, not the old-fashioned. And I have never heard of an old-fashioned from a restaurant or a bar being served that way. Well, hope you had a good time. I hope you learned something. And, feel free if you feel like it to like, share, or comment, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, make sure you get notifications. Ring that notification bell. See you around.